Hi everyone, it's Sheila and welcome back to my channel, Face and Fashions. On today's video, I have a Nadine West, and I have not had a Nadine West on my channel since probably September or October of last year. So it's been a while. For those of you who don't know me though, first off, welcome. Please consider subscribing down below if you like unboxing videos. That's what I do on my channel. I do all sorts. And to all my returning subscribers, as always, thank you and welcome back. Now, for those of you who don't know what Nadine West is an online styling service. For $9.89 in shipping, you get some clothing and jewelry pieces sent to your house. You get to try everything on in the comfort of your own home. You only pay for what you keep, you send back the rest. It's free shipping to return it, and she gives you the return label. Anything you do keep, your $9.89 shipping fee gets subtracted off of that. So if you keep something for $10, you're only going to pay 11 cents for anything. So usually there's always a piece of jewelry or something, even if I don't like all the clothes sometimes. I've had great bags and I've had some bags. So Nadine West is a hit and miss, but I enjoy it, and it's been a minute since I had one, so I'm excited to share this with you today. Now, I have a referral link that if you would like to try Nadine West for your first time, definitely take advantage of this, because you will get free shipping and you will get a $10 credit if you use my link. So anything that you get in your bag, you will automatically get $10 knocked off of it, and it doesn't cost you anything to even get the bag. So it's a good way to try out the service. And if you use my link, I will also get a $10 credit. So it'd be great for both of us. Okay, so with that said, let's go ahead. We're going to get into the items. I've already got all the jewelry pieces on. Like I said, you always get jewelry and clothing. So I'm going to start with the jewelry pieces. And the first one are these earrings that I have in. And these are called the Andy, and they're calling these silver gold, and these are $12.59. Now at first when I saw them, I was kind of unsure, but then I held them up and I thought they were really pretty. I just love the big flower look. I love that. It's just something kind of different, and I don't have anything like that. So these are going to be a definite possibility for me. I really think they're pretty. I love the big flower. That's all I can say. I love the big flower. Okay, so the next one is, I got two bracelets in this one, no necklaces. I have this bracelet, which is called the Seth Gold Bracelet, and this is $9.89. And as you can see, it has tones of pink and purple and like a teal color. Now this is a cuff bracelet. It just goes on like that, easy on off. It's all right. I'm not absolutely in love with it, but I don't dislike it. And then the other bracelet that I have is this one, and this one I really do like. It is kind of cheap though, but this is called the Brigada Rose Gold, and this is only $13.49. Now these plastic beads, I'll hold it up real close right here. They are plastic. This is plastic. It's just sprayed rose gold. And then you have two cuff bracelets, and you have an infinity one on that one, and then this one is just plain. With the jewelry, I like the earrings and I like the bracelet. This one, it's nice, but I'm not in love with it. Okay, so I have the first item of clothing on already, and I can tell you I'm not keeping this because this is not my style at all, but this is called Leah Black Stripe Pants for $18.89. Now this is the kind that has that tie waist right there, and it's just too much for me. I'm more plain kind of person, so yeah. These are just something I would never wear in a million years. But if you like them, I will leave the information down in the description box, and you might want to request it from Nadine West if you're interested. They're a good length. I'm 5'4". You can see where they land on me. But I'm big in here already, and I don't need bows and ties and anything to add attention to this area. So just the black and white. Maybe if they were all black, I would consider them because they are a great price. I would wear them for comfort around the house, but yeah, with the black and white stripes, it's just, it's not me. Okay, I have some more items. I will be back. Okay, here is the next item out of the box, and that is this top. And this top is called the Sherilyn, and this is $35.99. Now, first off, it's not worth $35.99 for me, but I'm going to say there's some positive aspects to this shirt. The first is I love just this neckline right here with the fleece or Sherpa, is that what you call it? I forget. But anyway, I like the nice bright white against my face. And it's not all the way through the entire shirt. It's only around the neck, and it feels very nice against the neck. So that feels nice and soft, and I think it would look like really cute under a coat. It almost look like a nice bright white scarf against your face. So I appreciate that, and definitely, especially in the winter. and it fits pretty good. Let me put this down. It has a kangaroo pocket right here. It fits pretty good everywhere around. But the other bad thing about it, besides the price, is these white stripes right here. They have no elastic in them, and they feel like they're grabbing my arm and like squeezing my arm. So for the price and for these white stripes, this is going to be a no for me. But it's kind of cute. I think it has some promise. Maybe if it come down $10 and I got one size larger, it might work. But oh, I also have this top too. This top is not getting tried on. This top was $23.39, and it is a large, but it is see-through. I put it on and it's not a good look, guys. Yeah, and it also already has a big spot right here. So this is going to be a definite no. There's just no way. Nope, 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 nope. That's a big no. Okay, but I do have some promising items coming up. Stay tuned, and I'll be right back. Okay, here's the next shirt out of the box, and this is called the Stripes Ahoy for $27.49. This is going to be a no-go for me. I just don't care where the sleeves cut on my arm. I don't think that's a flattering look. I would prefer a sleeve at least down to my elbows personally. That's just me. Or I will actually like a tank top, but I don't like when a shirt hits me right here. I don't know. I just don't think it's flattering for my arms particularly. But it fits very nice in the body. It's not too tight. It's got a good length on it. So it's a cute shirt. I think it would be cute around like during the 4th of July or something, like I got it red, white, and blue. But yeah, this is going to be a no-go. This is going to go back. So I will be back with the next item. Okay, I'm back with the next two pieces, and we'll start with the top and work our way down. Now this is just like the fleece lined top that I had on earlier, and this is also $32.29, I believe it was, but this is just all plain and black, and this one does not have a kangaroo pocket. I think it was 90% rayon, 10% spandex. It's very soft. I like it's a nice deep rich color, but I'm just $32 for a plain black top. I don't think I'm going to pay that, but it's not a bad top. I'd say if it was a little bit cheaper, maybe like $23, I would probably consider this top. And now we're going to go down to these leggings, or joggers I should say, and these are by the Legging Depot, and they are so soft. That's the first thing I'm going to say about them. And the price, $20.69 for these joggers. So that's a pretty good price too. But I know it's just not me. I would wear them around the house, but probably not a lot. I'm not in love with them. They're very soft. They have two pockets right here. Yeah, and they just feel lovely, but they're just not me. It's just like the striped pants. It's just, you know, something's not you, it's not you, so they just gotta go back. Okay, I have one more item, which is a dress, and I'll be right back. Okay, everyone, here's the last item out, and that is this maxi dress. And this dress is $26.69. Now, this is super comfortable, I have to say. And as a maxi dress, sometimes at my height, 5'4", it's hard to find a maxi dress that comes right to your, right to the right place where you can wear flats. I don't have to wear heels or anything with this. And it has two split hems on each side. And I have had a maxi dress from Nadine West before, and actually I still wear it. I really enjoy that. And it does have this faux wrap style right here. It is sewed shut right here, so you don't have to worry about anything like popping out or anything. But I don't know if I'm in love with it. I was thinking, I had a belt. I was thinking maybe if it had like some kind of definition at the waist, something like this, like to break it up, and then it might look cute, but then I don't know. What do you guys think? It's all right. I like the length, but I don't know if I'm absolutely in love with this dress. So overall, let's go ahead and do the wrap up. The dress, I'm going to look back at the video and decide I like it, but I don't know if I'm in love with it. These pants, like I said, they're just not my style. Super soft and comfortable. Pants, again, not my style. Too loud for me. This was too small and tiny. This I liked, but I didn't like the price, and I didn't like the stripes on the arms. And this, I thought, I liked the red, white, especially like around the 4th of July. I think this would look cute, but I just didn't like the arms, and it's pretty much like these arms. And I did enjoy just this basic black. Like if I say if there was one item I would get a lot of use out of, would be just this basic black top, but I have so many basic black tops that I don't know if I want to spend my money on it. So I'm thinking in this box, I'm probably going to say no to all the clothes, and I think even though it's not the most glamorous of jewelry, I just like the way it looks. It's costume jewelry. So I think I'm going to keep the rose gold bracelet and probably these earrings. And I think after my $9.89, I will put at the bottom of the screen what it would cost me. But it's going to cost me less than $10 for 2 pieces of jewelry, which I like. So, yeah, I have a thread box coming up very soon. So you guys stay tuned. Make sure you hit that bell button, and every time I upload a video, you'll be notified. And please subscribe if you haven't subscribed. I would love to hit 1,000. I'm really trying. I'm like 800. I'm getting there, guys. I'm slow but steady. I'm like the little turtle or the little hare. You know, I just keep chugging along. So if you haven't subscribed, please hit that subscribe button. It would really help me. And I hope you guys have a lovely week. And I'll see you on my next video. Bye-bye.
Fun, 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 fun. Yeah, yeah, yeah.